The essence of swordsmanship is meaningful relationships. Okay, so kind of meditate on that for a little bit, right? I'll give you the image of an actual swordsman, right? So have an image of a swordsman holding a sword. Okay, you guys got it, right? Okay. There are responsibilities that a swordsman has in order to express his skill. Okay, so you got to we're walking through this step by step. His responsibility is not to cut. That's the sword's responsibility. The sword is made to cut. Right? That's the essence of its existence here. Once a sword is forged, the primary function of that thing is to cut. Okay? So you don't need to be skilled to have the sword cut. Right? Anybody can grab it off the wall and start hacking away. Or it could be up on a wall, earthquake happens, it falls, you happen to be in the way, it's gonna cut, right? So don't have to be really skilled. The difference between a swordsman and all those other scenarios is that the swordsman understands that relationship. He understands what the sword is meant to do, and he doesn't try to do that because he's not meant to do that. What his responsibility is to cultivate himself to be the best, to understand himself to the best that he can, so that he can give of himself to that relationship. And as a result, in the image of a swordsman, the swordsman puts the sword in the best possible position in any given situation so that the sword can be its best, can do the thing that it's meant to do at its best, and repeat. So in different situations, the sword's going to be in different positions. It's not going to be in the same one all the time. It can be, depending on the skill of the swordsman, right? So then that's where the cultivation of a swordsman is very, very important. Understanding the relationship that you have and connections that you have with others. Not only other people, but other things. It is going back to the diagram, center to center. What is your center connected to? And what is that relationship back and forth? Are you trying to be this other thing, or are you focused on being you, understanding you, so that you can really give of yourself and bring out the best in the thing that you're connected to? So that's ultimately an expanded definition of a swordsman, is a person that cultivates themselves to the nth degree and brings about their best so that they can bring out the best in others.